Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Spicy tuna sandwiches. Be the envy of the entire cafeteria. These tuna fish sandwiches have spicy, pickled beans mixed into the salad. Kicked up beans take tuna salad to the next level. Ingredients: 5 ounces canned tuna, drained. 1/2 c. Mayonnaise. 2/3 c. Chopped spicy beans. 2 stalks celery, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons spicy bean brine. 1 tablespoon. Snipped chives. Soft white bread. Directions: 1. Combine tuna, mayonnaise, spicy beans, celery, bean brine, and chives. Serve on soft white bread. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.